Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question together. So based on the labs drawn on a newborn infant who is 10 days of age, the correct statement is pause the slide, zoom, look at all the labs and see what's the right choice. Okay, the correct choice here is C. So now let me tell you a little bit trick about how to answer these type of questions. So first of all, as you see that, hypercalcemia and vitamin D deficiency, irrespectively, that doesn't go in hand, because vitamin D deficiency will cause hypocalcemia. So basically, honestly, you don't have to look at this vitamin D and calcium to diagnose stem A, because stem A can be easily eliminated because hypercalcemia is not associated with vitamin D deficiency. Same thing with B, that hypercalcemia is due to PTH deficiency. And again, the PTH level is given here and the calcium is given here. So, and you guys all remember that, PTH deficiency will cause hypocalcemia. So sometimes they give you the lab, but look at the sentence as well. If sentence is exclusive, then you don't even have to look at the labs. But here it's important to go through the labs as well. So now let's see what infant dehydrated, and then we'll come to the right choice. So you see the BUN is not that bad. With dehydration, the BUN creatinine ratio should be greater. Here you see is 11/1. It has to be 20/1. Now what is calcium creatinine ratio? As you see here, the urine calcium is given, and then you have serum creatinine given, and you have serum creatinine and urine creatinine. So you have to have all the values, and then you let me go to the next slide so that will show how it's calculated. So there are online calculator. So you put the serum calcium, you put the serum creatinine, you put the urine creatinine, and the urine calcium. So all four are put in, and then you see the result here. The ratio here is 0.04, and the normal range is this. So this infant has a normal calcium to creatinine ratio. So patient is not excreting calcium in the urine, and it guides against differential diagnosis and management to know about the creatinine ratio. And you guys can read more about it online. And this is another explanation which I already talked about, that BUN and creatinine ratio suggesting dehydration has to be 20/1, and here is 11/1. So this was a case of hypercalcemia of unknown origin. We don't know the diagnosis, and the treatment was to just give a formula with 60/40, where you have less phosphate and less calcium. I hope you guys have learned something together today. Please do subscribe to our channel, and if you have comment in this question, please put in the comment section. We can address that so that we all can learn together. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.